What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Clark back at it again with another live trading session. If you don't know, I do these trades to journal my trades. I also do these trades to help you guys out. So the market is about to open in a couple seconds. Eric in here early RKLB. All right, we'll look at that right quick. You say RKLB. So we did have CPI this morning. So that 564 level on SPY, what I'm watching, the same level we got rejected from yesterday over here. So let's see what happens over here around that 564, my bad. 564 level. Mindful Matters, good morning. Hope y'all having a great morning. Got the QQQ moving up a little bit. CPI numbers did this wick right here. It went up, got rejected from pre-market high. Well, that's the new pre-market high, but we got rejected. We went up. So let's see what happens right here at this 564. It's the same spot we got rejected at yesterday. I'm watching Rocket Lab. This metal right here also. Get on the 2-minute chart. We are on a 2-minute chart, guys. Let's see what happened right here on Meta. NVIDIA pulling back also. $200. Make sure my 9 EMA is up. VWAP. All right. See what SPY wants to do right here. We gotta wait till SPY can get push off these highs right here. This 564 is what we got rejected at yesterday. That's what I'm watching. Good morning, Garbear. Good morning, Chris. What it do? How y'all doing this morning? Positive Insights. What it do? Hope y'all had a great day yesterday. Back in the market, trying to goddamn get some money. So I would take that early entry right there on metal, but I'm gonna wait about 15, 20 minutes. The VIX is real high today. The volatility is high, so we want to see what where the market wants to go, but be on the lookout for a counter trend because just the VIX is real high. Mindful Matter says Tesla. Look in the video. Tesla, all right. I'm just waiting for SPY to see what SPY wants to do around this 564 level. That's where we got rejected at yesterday. Don't want to be biased to any side though. But if this high of yesterday breaks, I'll be interested in bulls. I see Tesla though. That's a good entry right there, but it's kind of early right now. I'm gonna just chill. Nvidia. I like this meta as well. But keeping an eye on SPY. Yeah, I know SPY keep getting rejected every day. See, we got AMD moving towards the upside. Microsoft got a little rejected. Amazon sitting in a little chop right now. But most prices are pushing above yesterday's high. We just waiting on SPY. SPY is gonna let me know. So I'll let it do its thing right here around 564. Y'all said UPS. UPS downtrending. Let's see, SPY got rejected right there at 563.10 level. This the level I'm waiting on. We need to get up above here if we want to be interested in calls. If the market presents this to us, we only can do what the market wants to present to us. Meta pulling back. Apple starting a little uptrend. Tesla needs to get above 250 for me. All right, look like we're getting rejected a little bit. Y'all see that? Excuse me. Little rejection right here. Same area we got rejected in yesterday. Same area, that 562, 563 area. Let's see what happens. See if it holds the lows off this rejection. Gonna let price do its thing. I do like that Tesla over there though. Might be interested in Tesla. I want to see Tesla get up above 250 and then let's see if we can get a pullback right there. Also, we want to wait for our ORB levels to break. Garber said, I've got it on my watch list after Eric hit it good. We talking about that UPS. Yeah, it's a little pullback right here. Let's see what SPY does. See if SPY gets above 562 or if it just retests it. It's 9:39 on the clock. I like QQQ, but we still gonna wait. See if we get rejected right here. Got rejected again. That's why I haven't took no entry right there. I need SPY to get above here. All right, we held the lows. Our AQV, he's at Rocket Lab. Oh, y'all talking over there. All right. What did Rocket Lab do? Not nothing at the moment. I got rejected again at that 562. That's a weekly level. Another rejection. Microsoft. Tesla pulling back a little bit. Watching Tesla, man. It keeps getting rejected at its 562. We want to see it push off of that 562 or above it. If not, we're just gonna stay choppy right here. This is a strong weekly level, 562 level on SPY. So no early breakouts really. The video a little bit. But SPY still getting rejected. Let's see what happens. So if it breaks these lows, we probably gonna start moving toward the downside a little bit. Y'all see SPY? SPY pulling all the way back. Tesla got some wicks up there. What is that? Google. All right. There's SPY. Same spot we got rejected at yesterday. That's why I haven't took no early entry on them. That little breakout, they just killing contracts. Pre-market low is all the way down here. So we're sitting right around the highs of yesterday. But we're moving towards the downside a little bit. 9:44 on the clock. Amazon. Google. I like this Google. Haven't traded Google in a minute. If SPY breaks below this 200, we're gonna be in trouble. Let's see if it bounces off of that 200 moving average. Haven't took any trade, just gauging the market. Nvidia is sitting on a weekly level at 115. All right, let's check our ORB level. It's 945. Moving up a little bit. So QQQ and SPY still sitting in the middle of his range. Meta in the middle of his range a little bit. Let's see. Apple in the range. Nvidia sitting in range. Tesla pretty strong here. Amazon toward the downside. Now 47 on the clock. All right, so we got Amazon toward the downside. Google moving a little toward the downside. Microsoft, AMD pushing up. Yeah, I like this Microsoft Amazon puts. But let's see if SPY can break its range, and we'll see if we can find us a pullback. We're still sitting in the range. All right, there we go right there. There goes Microsoft. See what happens right here. Microsoft breaking the ORB a little bit. Amazon breaking it toward the downside. Google breaking it a little bit toward the downside. SPY sitting on it at that 200 moving average. Amazon. Shit. All right, so look like we went up. Look like they faked some bulls out. Look like we're moving towards the downside. Now let's see if we can get a retest. Pre-market lows haven't broke yet, so except on Microsoft, it's trying to break right now. Tesla pulled back. So I like Amazon and Microsoft towards the downside. SPY and QQQ also, if we can get a retest. That's what I'm watching. It's 9:49 on the clock. But look like we pushing back into range. Yeah, we'll let it pull back. What's that? Go look at Microsoft. Microsoft going back in the range. Yeah, man, we need to see this ORB break. Still sitting in the range from yesterday, and we still sitting in the 15-minute range. So this is when you want to make sure you manage your risk, and we want to make sure we take A+ setups. Yeah, we just going back in the range. Let's see, Amazon. I like Amazon if we can get some kind of pullback. If this SPY pulls back right here, right at ORB, I'll take an entry under 200 moving average. So I'll load up SPY puts. SPY 560 puts. If we break under this 200 moving average, let's see what happens. We're forming a bottom right here at the bottom of the ORB. See if we can break this. QQQ is trying to go up. Look like we got some news. I'm chilling. I ain't gonna take that. Are we pushing down? If we push past down bottom of ORB, I'll take an entry. Let's see. Kind of like QQQ more than SPY. It's not really giving me a push though. Going back up. Going back up. Let the chart do its thing. It ain't give us the entry. We're not gonna take it. 9:53 on the clock. Let's see what's that Google. I still got SPY puts loaded. Damn. All right, I just entered SPY puts. MMA taking out stop loss. Damn, that bitch went back in range. I'm in light. First entry. SPY puts. So I would right on the retest, but we forming a bottom right at the bottom of ORB. I've seen this before. So usually when we form a bottom, we usually get a good push off of the bottom of it, of the ORB, but we need a push off of this 200 moving average. See, we still haven't goddamn pushed off on the 5 minute. See where is the 200 moving average on. All right. On the 1 hour, it's up at the top. All right, let's see what happens here. I'm sitting at break even right now on spot puts. Oh shit. My dumb ass. I fucking put calls instead of puts. Fuck. Damn. I can still take the entry though. Fuck. That's on me. God damn it. I still took the entry. It's kind of late, but I'll still keep the same stop loss. Damn. Fuck. Fucked up. It's all good. I'm up 2% right now though. Damn, I could have been up right now. Y'all probably up way more than me. I'm only up 7% right now. The volatility is high. That's why if you can see right now in the volatility, you're making more money because the VIX is real high on each contract. Y'all remember that. I'm up 17% right now. My stop loss is the top of this ORB right here. The VIX is real high, so you have to manage your trade. I'm up 16% right now on spot puts. There we go. Hell yeah. I just seen the weakness. We was very weak starting off. You got to watch the price action. You just see we keep moving down, go up, get wicked. Just got to watch the price action. I'm up 17% still. We might get a little pull back. We'll wait through it. It's 9:57 on the clock. At 10 o'clock, we will move to the 5-minute chart. I'm up 15% right now. Spot puts. You want to take some trims, man. Take a trim. I'll take a trim here in a second. Y'all know the volatility is high. Market can bounce anytime. Just like yesterday, we bounced. But we are under ORB. We're not showing any kind of pressure trying to go back up. So let's see if we can get a good move down. Still sitting at 8% right now. We're going to move to the 5-minute. I'm going to go ahead and move to the 5-minute. We're sitting right under that 200 moving average. We need to get past that 200 moving average. I'm going to move to the 5-minute chart, though. We're still up 7%. Spy puts. Hope y'all took a trim. Y'all probably up way more than me. I got in late. I got in calls instead of puts. Damn. But it's okay. But we need to get down under this 200 moving average. So we're under 560. Let's see if we can push past 560. Still holding. Stop losses at the top of ORB. I'm down 2% right now. I just moved to the 5-minute chart. We bouncing back a little bit. I'm only down 3%. Oh, I got in late. I forgot. Shit. I forgot I got in late on here. 9 seconds on this clock. Let's see if we close under ORB. Looks like we will. See if we can get a push. So I usually don't take setups right by the 200 moving average, but the setup was there. I'm back green. We back up 2% right now. See if we can push past this 200 moving average. Still holding. Break even. I'm about 2% right now. If you're not comfortable in the trade, you can exit if you want to. I'm still holding. I don't want to move, man. Let's go. I'm down 3% right now. See if we retest this ORB again. Went back up a little bit, retested. Just chilling, staying patient. QQQ forming a entry down here under yesterday's high. Sitting at break even right now. I got in a little late, so y'all probably up more than me. Stop loss, same thing. If we break back into ORB, I will exit. Still holding. Hasn't really showed me that it wants to reverse, so we still holding this spot puts. Back up 3%. See if we can push past this 200 moving average right here. I'm back up 8% on spot. There we go. Let's go. There we go. 12%. Hell yeah. 22%. Let's go. I'm gonna take a trim right there. All right. I took one trim, 22%. I'm only in runners now. There we go. Let's see if we can push past this shit. We are in a downtrend. We are in a downtrend right now. But y'all know the trend can reverse very easily. So any news can reverse the trend. We up 15%. Make sure y'all take some trims. Let's go. I'm in spot puts right now. We up 19%. All right, we got a little pullback. We're going to hold it. The volatility is high, man. So you want to get your money and kind of get out today. I ain't going to lie. Unless you want to goddamn give money back. That's why I took a trim already. I'm only in runners right now. Y'all see how we only move? We ain't even moved that much. And right now we back break even. So we ain't even moved that much. And we got 22%. That's how you know the VIX is real high. So if it goes against you, you're definitely going to lose some money. What is VIX? It's the volatility in the market. basically meaning everybody is in the market trying to trade the same shit. Volatility is high just means there's a lot of people doing the same thing we doing. That's all that means. Usually when the volatility is high, it means it's a lot of news that's been going on the CNN and stuff, and everybody want to go jump in the stock market, see what they can do. Still holding, already took a trim. Still holding SPY. We down 8%. Let's see what SPY wants to do. Look like QQQ formed the bottom right here. If we get above this ORB and doesn't show me a wick, I will exit. I'm down 9% on my runners. I already took majority of the contracts off at 22%. Pushing back. Look at this shit right here. All right. It's close to my stop right now. Let's see what happens. See if we wick right here. If not, I will exit. Got a little rejection. Down 10%. I'm watching the price. Still getting rejected a little bit. Looks like it's retesting at 560. See what happens. All right, finger on the trigger, guys, on these runners. See if we can wick. If not, I'm out. Got rejected again. Down 14%. I need to see a wick off of this 9 EMA. There we go. Come on, pull on back. Yeah, look like it formed the bottom. Probably trying to reverse. That's why I said take your trims, man. Take your trims. We got rejected. We back. We down 8% right now. See if we keep getting rejected. SPY don't want to go. SPY don't want to go. Finger on the trigger right now. We get up above this 9 EMA, I will exit. Down 16% on runners. $47 seconds on this candle. Let's see what happens. When I say that the VIX is high, the volatility is high, meaning price action probably won't move as smooth as a normal trend. You'll have a lot of people in and out, big wicks, big rejections. That's what happens when the VIX is high. The volatility. There's a lot of people trading right now. We still getting wicked a little bit. I want to see us push down. This could be a pullback candle. Let's see what happens on the next candle. 3 seconds until this candle pass closes. Let's see what happens right here. Finger on the trigger. I'm down 18%. Got rejected. Keep getting rejected right there. That's why I'm holding. Sitting at my stop loss though. Finger on the trigger, guys. If you go back up in here. Come on, SPY. SPY playing. Playing. All right, we get rejected. Come on, SPY. Get on down there. All right, we pulling back. Got rejected again. We only down 9% right now. Oh, Garber, did I answer your question? Hey, this another. Oh, never mind. I wouldn't take this entry right here, but it is an entry on SPY. But I would wait till we get under this 200 moving average. If we pass this candle right here, all we did was retest the ORB. Let's see if we can get a push now. Good hold. Should be back green. Yep, we back in the green. I did get in late, so y'all probably got a better feel than me. Yeah, not really a trendy day. I mean, we trying to get what we can, but not really a trendy day early here. Two minutes on this candle. Let's see what happens. SPY don't want to move. Yesterday it was moving like a mug. The 10 EMA passed under the 50, even though it was a green candle, might be a good stay in. Talking about the SPY? Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's why I ain't sell. I seen it was just a little rejection. Looked like Wall Street killing contracts, making people exit. Let's see. We still pulling back though, man. We need a push past this 200 moving average. But if it keeps getting rejected, it's going to drop here in a second. If it keeps getting rejected like that. Still holding spot puts. I'm down 9%. We got up to 22% right here. Took some trims. Now we in runners. See if we can get some out of these runners. Still holding. My stop loss is up here at the top of these candles. 42 seconds on this candle. Down 10% right now. Still holding. Nice look. Slight transformer right here. I'm gonna mark that. See if we can push under this 200 now. Back break even right now. $5.59, $5.60. Yeah. Just sitting in yesterday's chop, man. That's all it's doing. But we moving down on the 15 minutes, so good hold. We moving down on the 15-minute chart. That's what I do, man. I'm looking at the 15-minute, 10-minute, 1 hour. I'm just looking at all the time frame to see if we still got a decent feel. You know what I'm saying? We sitting at break even right now. I'm still holding. Back up 3%. There we go, 5%. Hell yeah. Let's push past this 200. That was a great hold. I'm only up 5%. Y'all got a better feel than me, though. You ever try using the Auto SL and TP take profit with Turbo Trader? What is SL? My bad. My mind ain't all the way right now. Oh, stop loss. Hell no. I don't use that. Nah, I don't use that. I've never even tried it. I just don't trust it. You know what I'm saying? I just don't trust it. I'd rather me press in and out. You know what I'm saying? I'm up 7% right now. I've tried it on Weeb. I mean, I've tried it on Robinhood though, but y'all know how Robinhood act. Robinhood take 10 years to get filled. That's why I don't use Robinhood no more. I'm up 9% right now on SPY puts. See, we push past this 200. Boy, it's gonna go crazy. Up 10% right now. That was a good hold through that pullback. Damn, that first fucking thing, I goddamn accidentally got in calls. I would have been up right now. I'm only up 8% right now. My initial entry was up here somewhere, right there. Was supposed to be up there, but I had accidentally gotten calls, had to get out of calls and get in puts. But no, I haven't used that auto stop loss, auto take profit. I haven't. Rather use my hand. Let's go. We up 9% right now. I don't really want to push. Might be a slow down trend. We'll see. Volume's real low right now. Back break even right now. He said, hey, yo. The orange dotted line on his chart. What is the 200 moving average on SPY? Yeah, right here. That orange line that it keeps bouncing off of, where these wicks are right here. That's the 200 moving average. That's the last moving average of the last 200 candles. That's what that line is. So basically, it's just showing you it's a strong moving average. As you can see, we reacting off of it. We need it to get under that moving average for us to get a good push off of SPY. That's what I'm waiting on. My stop loss is still the same up here at the bottom of ORB. Look like SPY don't want to move today though. Another rejection. Sitting down 6% right now. Still holding spots, kind of starting to move sideways. I don't like that. You see that sideways action right there? We want it to go down. Usually when we move like this, charts kind of want to counter trend. So it's preparing for a goddamn reversal. But let's still hold it. Let's see. We're still gonna stop. We're still gonna keep our stop losses. I'm down 11%. I took trims at 22% when we got down here towards this 200 moving average. You said we bullish? Might be. Invest in yourself. Invest in yourself, say we bullish. Yeah, man, we moving sideways on most of these charts. I ain't even gonna lie to you. We can't even get a push off of ORB. But we still under ORB. That's the only reason I'm still in this trade. Volume is not here. Look at this shit. Look how low this volume is right here. Might need to get our money and get up out of here. Get our money and goddamn find another entry. But might not be an entry today. We got NVIDIA, AMD moving sideways. Microsoft, Meta, still stuck in a range. Amazon, Apple. Apple's in a range, trying to break the bottom. Amazon is stuck in the range like SPY, like right at the bottom of the ORB. Tesla, choppy as hell. It got up above pre-market high, but it's still choppy. Let's see what happens right here. We got rejected again. SPY's moving towards the downside. We are in SPY puts right now. I'm up 2% right now on SPY puts. I got a little late entry, but we got in over here somewhere. Let's see if we can push past this 200 moving average. That's what we need to break. I'm back up 9% right now. If you are in with me, I'm back up 11%. Take your trims if you are in. He said Tesla might go killing contracts. Let me see Tesla. Tesla got a lot of wicks up there. A lot of wicks. I'm back up 13%. Yeah, they are killing contracts though. Let's see if we can push down. Come on, SPY. Let's get a push. See if we can push past these lows at 557.97. I'm up 14% right now. Come on, SPY. Let's get under this 200 moving average. You done tested it enough. It's just like an ice cold lake. We keep poking at it. It's gonna break one day. That's what we waiting on. SPY on the 15-minute has closed under the ORB on the 15-minute. So that's great confluence. Now we just need a push. I'm still up 5% right now on spot puts. It'll push here in a minute. Go ahead and get down there, SPY. So we closed right at the 200 moving average. We are still closing lower. I'm still up 4% right now. See if we break this low. Back break even. Apple has closed below ORB. SPY don't want to give it to us today. Come on, SPY. I'm up 2% right now. SPY don't want to move, man. Bouncing back at this 200 moving average. Yeah, we really ain't moving on none of the charts right now. Bouncing back a little bit. Let's see if it retested this 9 EMA. Down 8%. I'm just letting it pull back. It's still not breaking into ORB, so my stop loss is up here in ORB. This that sideways choppy action, man. Now, if I was in full contrast, I would have just been exited. But I'm only in runners now. I've already got 22% out of that right there. So I'm only in runners now with the last of my couple contracts. Just want to see if we can get a push. Or see if we can goddamn drop real hard. And I'll exit. But like some sideways choppy action right now. Let's see what happens. If it hits my stop loss, I'll just exit. I'm straight. I've already paid myself. You know what I'm saying? That's why I took my trims already. We're just chilling, managing this trade. SPY don't want to move today, man. Probably gonna have a chop session. As soon as I exit, watch it drop. I'm down 12% right now. See if we get rejected again. Google going back in the ORB. Microsoft choppy. AMD sitting in a range. All right, SPY got rejected again. Yeah, this is range action right here, baby. AVGO sitting in the range right here. You don't want to trade that. MU, the same thing. QQQ. I don't even like that. Shit, I don't like the spy forming right now, but I'm just trying to see if we can get a push. Meta broke ORB, but it's playing around just like SPY is right now. Apple broke ORB. Now it's coming up retesting. See where we at on the 15-minute on SPY. Went down, got rejected. That's all we need. We need to break that 200 moving average right there. That's what we waiting on. I'm down 3% right now. Sitting at break even right now. Now we back in the green. Back in the green right now. See if we can break this shit. Stop playing around, SPY. Come on, let's go. Back up 12%, 11%. Let's go. Keep breaking that shit. Keep bouncing back, man. We need SPY to break this right here. This is why I have the 200 moving average on my chart, guys. Y'all seeing how hard it is to get below it? Now we finally trying to break it. All right, there we go. 15%. Take y'all trims. Back up 15%. There we go. Hell yeah. This is what I was waiting on. 22%. This is what I was waiting on right here. Now let's see if we hold down here. 18% right now. This is exactly what I was waiting on. Sitting at 20% right now. See if we can push lower. That was a great hold. Y'all see why I held that? Y'all take y'all trims. I'm gonna actually take a couple of these runners out right here. All right. Now let's see what we're gonna do. If we push past this 200 moving average, that would be my new stop loss. But we need to get below this a little bit. I'm still up 18%. QQQ still hasn't pushed past. See what the 15-minute chart looking like. Looking pretty decent. I'm up 15% right now on SPY puts. One minute on this candle. Hell yeah. There we go. Back up 19%. 21%. 43 seconds on this candle. $30 seconds on this candle. We up 23% right now. There we go. Hell yeah. 25%. 13 seconds left on this candle. We up 24%. Y'all take trims. I'm telling you. Take trims. We can turn around here in a minute. I'm only in runners. That's why I'm holding. We've been holding this probably about a good 30, 45. %24 right now. Let's go, SPY. Still sitting at 18%. I'm probably about to take profits here in a little bit. I take profit. I wanted to take profit down here at this pre-market low, but if we don't get down there, shit, I probably take profits here in a little bit. Not gonna lie to you. But this weekly zone is 554 right here. I think that's where we bounced here a couple times yesterday. So I will be taking profits here in a little bit. I'm still up 14% on my runners. But yeah, usually I'll have a tight take profit zone, but sometimes if the market just drops, shit, I'm not gonna have a take profit zone. I'm gonna just let it keep going. I'll just manage my stop loss. You know what I'm saying? So if I have a take profit zone, I usually take profits. So majority of my contracts I put in, I usually take profits around 25, 30%. I take half my contracts off, get up a little bit more, or if we get to a level that I like a pre-market low or a weekly level or yesterday's low, something like that, that's when I'll take profits as we go, as we keep moving down. But it depends on the price action also. Like I want to see a lot of movement. See what I'm saying right here? We up. There we go. We up 25% right there. But I'm only in a couple runners, so I was taking profits in here, right here, just because I really was thinking we was gonna reverse. So I started taking profits up there. But we still up 22% right now. So we hold right here. When this candle closes, I bring my stop loss down a little bit. Look at Apple. Wonder what dropped the market like that. Was it Apple? Looked like it. It looked like Apple did that. Apple dropped down to yesterday's low. Right there. We still up 20%. No problem. Y'all take y'all profits though, man. Take y'all money, man. Got 1 minute on this candle. Let's see what happens. Still up 25%. 1 minute, 7 seconds left. We might get a pullback here. Yeah, I got out of there. I have to make my money first. Hey, I don't blame you. Get out of there, get your money, man. Yeah, I don't want this market turning around on you. I'm probably about to get out here in a second, trying to see what this candle does right here. It hasn't really showed me any kind of reverse pressure or anything, any reason for me to get out. So I'm gonna hold real quick. I will bring my stop loss down a little bit, but I want to push past the 200. 24 seconds on this candle. We up 22% right now. There we go. 14 seconds left on this candle. Still up 25%. Look at Apple. Oh my God. Look at Apple over here. Apple is moving the market. I think Apple is moving that shit. I'm up 25% right now. Let's see what this candle does. It's candle by candle right now. So I'm going candle by candle. 25. I'm up 25% right now. Still getting rejected. That's what I want to see right there. Y'all see that? 28%. Candle by candle. I'm just watching the candle. I'll get out when it's showing me some pressure. But this is right around where I would exit. I'm cool with 30%. I'm at 29% right now. But if it want to keep dropping shit, I'll let it keep dropping shit. Why exit? I'm up 33% right now. There we go. Up 30%. Hell yeah. Let's see if we can get some more. See what I'm saying? Let it do its thing. 38%. 40%. I'm taking my profits at 43 right there. See what I'm saying? I let it get down to pre-market low. I'll take profits. I just took everything right there. I'm out. I'm out. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. I walked y'all through that trade the whole time. We held it. I walked y'all through, and we profitable. We profitable for the day. Hey, we green on the day. Let it pull back. We green. We took our trade. I'm cool. You know what I'm saying? Most of the market is choppy right now. We got what we could get. That's what we did. 43% on spot puts. Good shit, guys. Good shit. Look at him. He say thank you. 47%. He held a little long. Oh, he probably got in. You know, I got a bad feel, so you probably got in a little more than me. Probably got a little more than me, but yeah, I just took profits. I just let it go all the way down to pre-market low right there, and I took profits right there. So whoever was asking me what's my TP zone, my take profit zone, there you go. Really good move, Clark. Oh yeah, man. Hey, I do this for y'all, man. I used to be struggling. I used to be a struggling ass trader, losing every day, bro. And when I figured this shit out, I said, man, I gotta show the people. Like, this is a cheat code to life, man. You can just sit here and wake up and get money. It's 10:42, man. We really just made a day's worth, probably more than that. Some of y'all, I know I made a couple hundred every goddamn day pressing a damn button on the chart. Who the hell wouldn't come do this today? I don't trade $10,000, $20,000 a day. The most trade I get in is a thousand a play. I get in 1,000 a play. I don't trade with a whole bunch of money because I don't want to. I don't want to lose all that. I only trade with a couple thousand. My long term accounts, you know, I leave all my. I really don't even have a savings account. I put all my money into my long term shit. So when it comes to day trading, this is just a couple thousand I'm playing with. You know what I'm saying? Now when it comes to long term accounts, that's where the big ball is. That's where the big. I'll show y'all my portfolio one day. But that's where you really make that money, man. Your long-term portfolios, buying stocks, holding stocks, buying long-term options. I make way more money than buying long-term options rather than day trading. Day trading is just like what I like doing every day. It's this easy action to get on here and make money like this. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'll show y'all. I kind of put it this way. I got kids. That's all you need to know. I got kids. That's why I don't show a lot of stuff, but I still help y'all get some money. You know what I'm saying? So I can wait to see how it retests the 200 again to make another move. It might not retest because you see this candle right here. This candle right here was the retest candle. You see that wick right there? This wick right here, that was the retest. It had already retested at 200. So when we pass a level, you want to see something come back. Like on a 2-minute, I bet you see a retest candle. But on a 5-minute, you just got to use the wick as the retest. But we was already in the trade, so it ain't got nothing to do with us entering. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that was a decent trade, man. We held through that. We got in over here. We held through that. 43%. I hit 43%. Yeah, man. Y'all got any questions, man? I'm probably about to excuse me. I'm probably about to call it a day, man. Please show it. Oh yeah, I told you. I've been struggling setting up pre-market lows and highs. Can you show us that? Hell yeah, I'll show y'all. Man, I do this every day, bruh. Every day I do this, man. All right. I'll show you real quick before I log out. Let me take all my indicators out so you won't get confused. So this is all I do every morning. I have four main lines or levels I watch. 4 main. Y'all listen up. I have 2 green lines and 2 red lines. Don't watch these purple lines. Those are just weekly levels. So the dotted lines, if y'all see it on my chart, this is just how I can see where the pre-market high and pre-market low is. This is just what I do. This is how I put my levels. So I put a dashed lines on my pre-market lows. Pre-market low, pre-market high. I put a dashed green line for the high. I put a dashed red line for the low. So this is yesterday's market. This is SPY. This is yesterday's market. This is Tuesday. This is what happened yesterday. This is what happened today. This is what we just hit right here, that downtrend right there. This is pre-market. I use all this as pre-market. Yesterday, this is aftermarket, but I just say pre-market shit. But this is after yesterday. So I think it closed at like 7 or 8. Yeah. So aftermarket closes at 8. So from 4 o'clock to 8 is aftermarket. So when we open up in the morning from 04 at 4 o'clock in the morning, the market opens. It's called pre-market. From 04 to 9:30. And at 9:30, that's when the market opens. So you want the low from the whole night, from aftermarket and this morning. So on the dotted red line, I'm gonna put it on the low right there. You see that? That's the low of the whole aftermarket pre-market. That's the low. And then the high, I want to mark it at the high. The highest the candle went up, even if it's a wick, meaning we got rejected right there still. You know what I'm saying? So that's 2 of the levels. I also have 2 other solid levels. I have solid red level, solid green level. What do you think that is? Anybody in the comments? Anybody in the comments? What do you think that those 2 solid lines are? I go ahead and tell you. The green is the high of yesterday, right here. The red solid low is the low of yesterday. Those are the main 4 levels I'm watching. You know what I'm saying? So on a good day, we will break those levels early. If we break those levels early, like yesterday when I hit, what was that? Apple or Amazon? When I hit Amazon, it had already got up above the pre-market high and the pre-market and yesterday's high. So I had already took the entry. Look at it. SPY still downtrending. Look at this shit. But yeah, man. Those are the levels I mark every day. You have to mark those levels. Like, you can't go around without marking those levels. Like, you can, but it's not going to be a great trading day for you. Those are what I watched. Also, I watched my weekly level. Those are the purple lines. That's why I was cool with taking that trade right there. That was the high. We went up. That wick was new, so I don't care about that. That wick was new. That was CPI this morning. All morning we've been trying to get above 562. We got rejected, kept getting rejected. That gave me the confidence to get into the trade. All you're doing is marking levels and abiding by your levels. You see, we started trending down. What did I do? Mark the trend line. Mark it. Why not? This is your chart, man. This is your chart. You got to know how to trade your setups. Mark that shit. But let me see. Them people watching, huh? Oh yeah. Yeah. Y'all know why I don't really show a lot. I got kids. Okay, makes sense. All right. I hope you understood that. Those are the levels are marked. So when you get to my chart, they're already marked because I mark them about 8:30 every morning. So when the market closes, I mark my pre-market low. I mark my yesterday's low, the high and the low, and then in the morning I'll mark the pre-market. I've been picking bad options where I be negative when I'm supposed to be positive. How far out do you set it for? So on SPY right there, I was in 0 DTE. You talking about the expiration dates? I was in 0 DTE. If I'm trading SPY QQQ, I'm definitely in 0 DTE contract. So meaning that contract expires that day. But the only downfall to buying those kind of contracts is the volatility in those contracts are high because a lot of people are trading same day contracts. So if you get on the losing end of that contract, you'll get a bigger loss than you would if you would just pick like a week out. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I pick 0 DTE contract. All 0 DTE means 0 days to expiration. I pick contracts that close today or the closest one. So I think Apple has like 3 days out contracts. So like Apple contract right now is probably the 12th, 13th, 14th. So the 15th, which is Friday. What is it tomorrow? 13th. Or the 14th, which is Friday. So Apple, I would choose Apple, the 14th expiration date, and I would get in my play. Is there an indicator for pre-market highs and lows or you to mark? I haven't found it, but if it was, I wouldn't use it because it's just too easy to market yourself. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing like doing it yourself and actually know, hey, I marked this, I seen this, I know that level, I know that's the right level. You know what I'm saying? Indicators, they'll show you the level. Like thing I don't like is this right here. I hate these. I don't know why. I used to use them. I think Garber asked me about it one day. Pivots. Pivots are they're not really good to me because sometimes my levels are way better than the pivots. Like right here, it's a pivot right there. You don't see it, but that's a weekly level. You see? But I don't know. I've come to find out that my levels work a little better than the pivots, but nothing wrong with using pivots. It works, but I just like using my levels, and I don't like a lot of shit on the chart because then I start getting confused. And I don't get confused. You just know when a lot of shit in your face for a long period of time. Like, look at this. See how clear that chart just cleared up? That's why sometimes when I'm just looking at the chart, I'll take all my indicators off just to look and see what we did for the day, just so it all don't be blasting in my face. You know what I'm saying? But you got to get used to looking at it. You got to get chart time. You got to just stay on that chart, look at it every day. Apple still dragging everything down. Yeah, that was Apple that made that. Because nothing else was moving. That was a decent trade, though. We got 43%. Well, I got 43%. Y'all probably got a little more. I got in late. Mindful Matter says she can't type it fast. I don't know what you're talking about. Shana, all right, Shana, I answered your question. Positive Insight, say ITM. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Never heard of that stock. Or are you saying IWM? The Russell. Oh yeah, got a downtrend, broke ORB, pulling back to the 200 moving average. When we hit the 200 moving average, or if we hit that 9 EMA, I'm pretty sure it'll touch that 9 EMA. If we still continue a downtrend over here, if it touches that 9 EMA, it's gonna go right now. I bet you it's gonna go right now if it touches that 9 EMA. But all right, man, that was a decent trade, man. We caught that downtrend on SPY. That was a nice trade, nice hold. I talked y'all through that, all that. Hey, man, if y'all ever in a trade and you don't know what's going on, you don't want to know what to look for, go back to that trade we just took. See how I'm talking through the trade. Like when I used to trade by myself, everything I'm saying to y'all, I used to just keep it in my head. I'm like, all right, or I'd be right there. All right, my stop loss right there. I used to keep everything in my head. You know what I'm saying? But now when I'm on live with you guys, I like to talk about what's going on in the trade, because when I go back and back test, I can use this while I'm journaling. You know what I'm saying? In the money contract. Oh, in the money contract. I thought you were talking about a ticker. Yeah, in the money. So I don't know why a lot of people get this confused. Not saying you getting it confused, but I used to get it confused too when I first started. I didn't know what contract to pick. But like right now, if I wanted to get in spot puts, I would get on my broker. I'm on my broker right now. Let me click SPY. So say if I wanted to get in spot puts right now, spot puts right now is trading at 556.39. So right now, I'm looking at in the money, it's 556.46 right now. What I do is I just go right under. So it's at 556. I'm choosing that 555 contract right in the money. You know what I'm saying? If it's at 557, I'm gonna choose 556. If we want to go in calls, I'm gonna choose 557. If the volatility is high and the contracts are real high, if it was 556 right now, like Tesla, I do this a lot on Tesla because y'all know Tesla contracts high. I'm not finna spend $1,000 on one fucking contract. Fuck that. I'm gonna go out of the money and get a couple of the other ones. You know what I'm saying? Like definitely, if you know you're in an A+ setup, choosing out of the contract, you're gonna get green, but you're not gonna get as green if you was in the money, but you're still gonna get green. That's why you need to trade A+ setups. But yeah, so right now, if I was wanting to go into a put and the contracts are real high, say if 5.5, I think the contract is gonna go down, so I'm gonna bet for it to go down. So it's trading at 5.56. Say if it was 5.55 was like $900 a contract, I'm gonna be like, fuck that. I'm gonna go down to 5.53 or 5.54, where it's a little cheaper, and I'll buy multiple contracts of that. You know what I'm saying? That's how I do the contract. But most of the time, it's in the money. Most of the time, it's in the money profits. Most of the time, I'm choosing in the money, right in the money. I want to be green like that. Most of the contracts I'm getting in, I'm getting in right when the goddamn pullback is done, and that's when I'm getting in right when we pass that candle. That's why I'm in the money. I appreciate that. Appreciate that. He said in the money, out of the money, and ITM in the money. Oh, okay. In the money, 100 ITM costs more. ITM costs more, but give greater profits. Yeah, Garber. Hey, y'all better watch Garber in the comments, boy. He know his shit. Any question, he be coming with the answers. That's what I'm talking about, Garber. When you said anybody know what these two levels are that I have marked. Oh, okay. The high of day. You said you couldn't type it fast. Oh yeah, the high of day and the high of yesterday and the low of yesterday. But yeah, man, y'all want to make sure you mark those levels, because like on a good day, if those levels break and the trend starts early, you want to get in there early. So you want to watch those levels break. Look at this shit right here. SPY still moving. I told you what was gonna happen over here on. I'm on IWM. I thought he was saying the money. All right. Yeah, man, we still downtrending. It could be a downtrending day for the rest of the day, but I don't know. We need to look up Apple and see what happened over here. That's definitely news right there. Yeah, that's a good fucking trade right there too. That's an entry right there. Pull back. See what I'm saying? It's a great example, Johnny. I think I said Johnny. We need a group chat so we can keep in touch through the day. All right, yeah, we need to do that. I do need to get more active on my Discord. That's on me. I run another business, man, so I be out and about most of the day. So when I trade in the morning, I trade in the morning. I'll come back, usually look later on in the day. So yeah, I can get that started up though. I know a lot of people don't like Discord a lot. Oh, but I was trying to show y'all this right here. You see the 4 levels I have marked? Pre-market high, pre-market low, yesterday's low. Where is oh shit? Where is yesterday's high at? Oh, I guess I ain't marked it. Oh, I know why. Let me go to this chart. So on Apple right here, we got the high right here of yesterday, the low right here of yesterday, and the 2 pre-markets. So all we did right there, all you could have done right there, waited for that range, waited for the ORB levels to break. Soon as we retest, look at that. Clean ass retest. See that retest counter right there? Retest it, and then the next counter retested. Could have got in right off of the retest. Same thing down here. We came down, we broke yesterday's low. It came back up, retested. Soon as we pass this retest candle, there's your entry. In the money contracts, you would have been up right now. I don't know how I ain't see that Apple though. I think I was looking at SPY the whole time. But yeah, man, he said a group chat. All right, we can do that. He said I invest in Coke. Boy, I thought you were saying something else. He said I invest in Coca-Cola for dividends. Oh yeah. I know about that dividend game, man. We get paid 4 times a year. If y'all know about that, you know some shit. Damn, look at this downtrend, bruh. Might need to take another entry. I made some. We made some paper on that first trade. Yeah, we. Oh shit! It's 11 o'clock. All right, man, y'all. I got to get off, man. But we in a downtrend. If y'all get in, man, hold your risk. Don't put all your money in. We in a downtrend right now. Wait for a pullback. If we get under this weekly level 554, wait for a pullback. Get in. But this got to be news right here. We in a downtrend like a mug. For some reason, I feel confident spotting puts than calls. Boy, you sound like me. Love basketball. You sound like me a couple years ago. I used to be way better with puts. But you know why? You want to know why? So in calls, if you ever see the market drops in puts, we move faster. So it's like, damn, I got 30% real quick, except that one trade. But usually when we drop way faster than we move up. So in calls, it's gonna be a race to get up. You're gonna move up, but you're gonna come back down. You're gonna move up, but it's a slow pace going up. But when we drop down, you always see the market drop faster than it goes up. That's why that's what I had to figure out. I'm like, all right, every time I get in push, that motherfucker be moving. When I get in calls, it don't move. You know what I'm saying? What's going on? That's what I had to learn. You know what I'm saying? Bulls take the stairs, bears take the window. Guard Bear, boy, y'all better listen to Guard Bear, boy. Guard Bear, y'all better listen to Guard Bear. He know his shit, man. That's exactly why right there. That's why you ain't feeling confident. I'm taking this all in. Pause. Bulls take the stairs, Bears take the window. Hell yeah. That boy Garber know his shit, man. But all right, man, y'all have a good day, man. I'm out of here. Y'all stay safe. Have a good day. I'll be back tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. Y'all take it easy.